we got new iPhones. I'm gonna just close that door. So yeah, we got new iPhones. I think these are the Plus phones and these are the regular phones. Let's see which one's which. Hey, look at that. This is the regular iPhone 15 in pink is what I got it in. This is the pink iPhone 15. This is the 15 Plus in green. So this is the green color. Looks pretty dope, I think, from first glance. I have the 15 Pro here in natural titanium. I think this one is my favorite, but that's what a lot of YouTubers say, so I'm not too sure. There it is. This is in blue titanium. The wallpapers are pretty dope, I can't lie. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the regular iPhone 15 and 15 Plus. Opening here. Wow, look at that. It's not glossy this year, it's actually soft glass. That's pretty nice. This is the pink iPhone. I really like the color. It reminds me of Cosmo and Wanda. Wow, the feel in the hand is really good. The new contoured sides are just really nice. Wow. Okay, put that to the side. You get a braided USB-C cable. USB-C on this side and USB-C on this side. Both sides USB-C. USB-C on both sides. And designed by Apple in California with the SIM card ejector and Apple sticker. Okay, let's move this box to the side and get into the iPhone 15 Plus. Wow. That green is actually quite awesome. Look at that. It's an actual green color versus like the blue one, which is basically a white. And the new contour design really feels very nice. I like that a lot about these phones, the contour design. And same thing, the starter kit or whatever, designed by Apple in California, and the USB-C to USB-C cable that we get now. Wow, that looks absolutely gorgeous. Damn, that looks beautiful. And the contour design, again, it's amazing. It doesn't dig into your hand as much. Contour design is just amazing. iPhone 15 Pro. Damn. This reminds me, my first impressions of this color was that it reminds me a lot of the blue color in the iPhone 12 Pro. Look at that. And look at these titanium sides. Action button. The nice contour design is just amazing. It's definitely not as sharp as my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Alright, we got all 4 iPhone 15s booted up here. On the start screen saying hello in different languages. We got the iPhone 15 in pink. We got the iPhone 15 Plus in green. We got the iPhone 15 Pro in natural titanium. And finally, we got the iPhone 15 Pro Max in titanium blue or blue titanium or whatever it's called. Alright, I'm gonna go set up these bad boys and I'll be right back to give you my first impressions. Alright, so we're all set up now. I actually put my SIM in the iPhone 15, the pink one, because I think it looks pretty dope. It's just a nice overall phone. The contour design makes it feel so good in the hand. It's very comfortable, especially coming from an iPhone 13 Pro Max, which has very sharpish edges. It feels very nice, the contour design. If I was to describe my first impressions in one word, using just one word, I would probably use the word uniformity. Let me explain. Throughout the whole iPhone 15 lineup, which means the iPhone 15, the iPhone 15 Plus, the iPhone 15 Pro, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max, all of them have USB-C, a 48 megapixel camera, dynamic island, a matte glass back finish, and an amazingly comfortable contoured design. All of that makes all 4 of these phones, Pro or regular, make them feel fundamentally very similar to use in the hand and in daily life. Like if I'm texting someone or if I'm calling, FaceTiming, or just scrolling Instagram or TikTok endlessly, they all would give the same sort of performance regardless of which phone you have because of all these different uniform points. The processor in the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus, this camera here, is the same one as in the iPhone 14 Pro from last year, which is the A16 Bionic. So even that's a little similar to the Pro phones or the whole iPhone lineup. A major difference that I did see from the get-go, from the beginning, was the difference in the display. And not the resolution, not the quality, not the colors, but the refresh rate. For a few years now, Apple has been differentiating between the Pro models and the regular models with one major thing, which is ProMotion, high refresh rate displays. So So the iPhone 13 Pro introduced it, the 14 Pro still had it, and this year the 15 Pro also has it. And since the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max and 13 series phones released, the regular iPhones have never had ProMotion. They've only ever been stuck at 60 Hz. It might perform just as fast, you know, get done tasks quickly, but it just feels a little bit slower. And all that is no thanks to the low refresh rate compared to the Pro model iPhones. So besides the difference in ProMotion and refresh rate of the displays from the Pro and regular models, everything pretty much is uniform. And on the non-Pro models, the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, the colors are super fun. This pink one is just, look at that, that looks so nice. I don't know about you, but I really like it. If you do as well, leave a like to let me know. And on the Pro models, the colors are very sexy and stylish and all that stuff, and that's thanks to titanium finish around the sides. And speaking of the titanium sides, that does make the phone lighter because stainless steel is heavier than titanium, and so last year with the iPhone 14 Pro and 13 Pros, and actually since the iPhone 10, they've been using stainless steel, which is quite a heavy material. This year they switched to titanium and it's a lot more lighter and easier to hold because of that lightness, and also because of the, again, contoured design, which I really like, and I think you guys will definitely like that as well. It's less sharp to hold in the hand, it doesn't dig into your fingers as much, it's just an overall really good, comfortable feeling phone. And besides any of that, there's not really any changes to the functionality of the device. The dynamic island still performs the same, the camera quality is pretty good so far. It's still the same 48 megapixel resolution from last year, but the sensor is a little different, so it's even better than last year. The display brightness has gotten a lot brighter on the regular models, but on the Pro models it's remained at 2000 nits, which is still more than plenty to see outside in the sun. And me personally, I haven't found a good use for the action button yet, but I'm sure with time and getting used to the fact that this is not just a mute switch, I'll turn it into like a camera, like a quick camera button or like a flashlight button or something like that. But yeah, these are just my first impressions of these new iPhone 15 phones. I hope you enjoyed. I definitely enjoyed unboxing them and showing them to you. If you did enjoy, definitely leave a like and subscribe so you're among the first people to see the review and other footage and coverage on the iPhone 15s. Let me know exactly what you want to see in the comments down below. The camera is awesome, the display is awesome, the battery life is awesome. Let me know what you want to see. Again, leave a like if you enjoyed watching, subscribe so you don't miss out on any content and coverage on the new iPhone 15s. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Alright, bye.